Shibenta na Jingleit Jngoh Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Konrad Kiesangma ya ka Jirang Constituency haka arpo atre ujemang araja arpusan kumba ulale haki wei kisngi baladap ya ki wei pat ki Constituency hakeleng ka Jala ula poirung sya ka snong nong spung e. Hakani ka snong haringkat uba asas tena sotun UMLA ka Jirang Menteri Rangba ula jurep ya ka Garo LP Skul kabala seng house nam kat kendai spa nyopun rio bad yoi bakani ka skul ka don kam ya ki jing penbet penbiang ki babun hakabala pau syai bakala don ka jing e ben yaka. Hakajing kran baka jing emerging mode bak ki no hikai bat ki Khynnah jongan ega skul Menteri Rangba ula ai ki jing ai sngobha syaki Khynnah bala yo i bola pen hikai tem gitaru ya wei naki ringkat ka jing kentu ba unlong scam jing mode abat tem yaka klam ka jing sngo artatin
sana kali misprang bo
era kichuta si era wow next round na may practice ako ni amutya acha sunang ang guitar lang po na tora mungkin guitar keyboard aro sound system po una to ma di ba mong sa condition nga gitar ang kono din asung next time ang gitar ang gini again be nako jangan na music system ko tapos ne guitar keyboard ko aro microphone bakte lang yung ginawa mo LP yung ang kanil LP namang sa building ka de we do in 3 phases. One is repairs so they can please do someone should take basic class. Then I'll give LP grant, I'll give some amount from my side, and for the UP I'll give. So it's already di ba ko gital ko de school bano kaso government schools, government LP schools, government UP schools were given no fund. It is only when our government came. I was given, listen to me. I was given application. I mean, I was given a presentation, and they said it's going to cost 3,000 crores to repair all the government LP schools, government UP schools, government secondary, government higher secondary, and government colleges. 3,000 crores. So I don't know what to do, where to start. But then I said, let's start somewhere. And that's when I started repairing the schools, LP schools. Today, after 7 years, we have finally managed to finish most of the schools. Another 300 are left now. My point being that the reason why the officers had to write to you like that is because even government LP schools were in the same condition. When government LP schools only we cannot repair, how to do others? That was the whole problem. So it's not that they didn't want to do, but the problem was there was limited fund. We were facing huge challenge. We took up that challenge, and today, after 7 years, we finally have got all the government LP schools almost done. So now I'm looking at the other non-government, SSA, ad hoc, deficit. Now slowly win. That's why I've come to see your place. I'll see what I can do, and I'll try to help. Okay? Ibarat, MLA ti sini ibas maya ya. Even television, sini school bermain main apa karena. Kalau itu saya di tahan ha. Di mana dah dia kau aja udah kecil lah, cuma pop kalau dia Indong kalau kecil. Kita kita memang suruh dah. Aku singet semua headman sih, atau langsung committee sih. Dari pura repair tatkin ma kira sempat macam singa. Mana ko ya ko building kan kan nampak sir. Mana itu samjok aru si ye building ba mamang condition ri kita jis kan mori thari keman mamang ono linta dongja aru bin dongja. Ya de mamang ba napang ro ko nomor ro ta bakinga aru building ba tikung de rainbow ka ha samji. Daw de face wise meron ka na, ne? Changsao de matjawa. May changsao de matjawa. Nasungi tspak LP ko taksin ko. LP kan jabno, UP na jabno kan. Itu sir, este kita itu sanction ko kana manager. Ani na onda. Face wise meno. Ni na ani.
Polling station
We are here in Jirang area in Nongspung A village, and this is part of my tour today of Jirang area along with our honorable MLA, and we're visiting some of the areas and schools and villages just to meet the people and to understand different challenges that they're facing. Here in Nongspung A village, as you can see behind me, there is a LP school and an SSA UP school, and a lot of challenges are there because the building is in a very bad condition, and therefore along with the honorable MLA we have decided to work together and provide them in a phase-wise manner new infrastructure, and I have promised that. So along with my CMSDF scheme, along with whatever support from the MLA as well as from the SSA scheme, we will try and build up this infrastructure in a phase-wise manner at the earliest. Apart from that, of course, which I always have been doing, I believe that the students should be engaged in extracurricular activities. So we have also promised them some music instruments and sports equipments. Some of them I brought along with me this time, so I have handed over one small acoustic guitar, and I was so happy to see one of the youngsters, in spite of not having any access to any instruments, he still was able to pick up and play the different keys, and it's very encouraging, and I hope that I'll be able to give them more opportunities by providing them better equipments, music equipments in the future. But it is very nice to be here today. This is my first visit ever to this part of the constituency and this part of the state, and I can see that there are a lot of challenges. We may not be able to resolve everything in one go, but hopefully our visit will at least give some relief and we'll be able to do some good for the people living in this area. Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya